Are you looking for a dental CO2 laser that can minimize pain and discomfort during and after dental procedures? Look no further than Yoshida CO2 laser, the Opelaser Pro II. The Opelaser Pro II is designed to vaporize tissue precisely and quickly, which reduces the amount of heat and trauma that is transferred to the surrounding tissue. This results in less pain, swelling, and discomfort compared to traditional surgical techniques. But that's not all. The Opelaser Pro II laser also stimulates the production of endorphins, which are the body's natural painkillers. As a result, patients may experience less pain and discomfort both during and after the procedure. Overall, the Opelaser Pro II's effective pain control can lead to a more comfortable and less stressful experience for the patients. This can be especially important for patients who are anxious about dental procedures, as well as for those who may be more sensitive to pain. I hope this helped. Let me know if you have any other questions.